Hamlet is written by. The correct answer is option A, William Shakespeare. New York's Wall Street is market of. The correct answer is option D, stocks. SECP is the regulatory authority of. The correct answer is option A, stock market. May Day is celebrated to remember the killings of labor protest of 1st May 1886 in. The correct answer is option D, Chicago. The most nearly opposite in meaning to sumptuous is. The correct answer is option B, partial. Estisalat is a company of. The correct answer is option A, telecommunication. Michael Dell is one of the biggest name of. The correct answer is option B, today's computer world. Monolith means. The correct answer is option B, a single large organization, very slow of change. How many stages of development have been indicated by rostou? The correct answer is option B, 5. Famous English novel Tale of Two Cities was written by. The correct answer is option D, Charles Dickens. A hectare is equal to. The correct answer is option B, 2.47 acres. The printing press was invented by. The correct answer is option B, John Gutenberg. New York's Wall Street is a market of. The correct answer is option D, stocks. SECB is the regulatory authority of. The correct answer is option A, stock market. The country which introduced competitive examinations for the selection of public servants for the first time was. The correct answer is option C, China. The founder of Scout movement was. The correct answer is option A, Lord Baden-Powell. Scotland Yard is the police department of. The correct answer is option D, England. Suez Canal connects two seas which are. The option B is correct, Mediterranean and Red Sea. Alma mater means. The correct answer is option D, one's college or university. The Communist Revolution of Russia took place in. The correct answer is option B, 1917. What is the effect of deflect financing on the economy? The correct answer is option D, inflation. The legendary painting Mona Lisa is the creation of. The correct answer is option D, Leonardo da Vinci. Who inaugurated the Protestant Reformation in Christianity? The correct answer is option A, Martin Luther. Euclid was an ancient Greek. The correct answer is option C, geometer. The fall in the value of asset is. The correct answer is option C, depreciation. Dum Dum International Airport is in. The correct answer is Calcutta. Illegal commercial activities which go unrecorded are termed as. The correct answer is option B, black economy. A stock that is highly in demand being a low risk investment is called. The correct answer is option C, blue chip. Steve Jobs earned fame during his association with. The correct answer is option D, Apple. The position of an element in the periodic table is determined by its. The correct answer is option B, atomic number. OBOR stands for what? Option A is correct, one belt, one road. In Rawalpindi conspiracy, how many generals are arrested? The correct answer is option A, 2 generals, which are Major General Akbar Khan and Major General Nazir Ahmed. Brazil is situated in. The correct answer is option B, South America. Kanup, it means nuclear power plant, was provided to Pakistan by. The option A is correct, Canada. Ashes is played between. The correct answer is option C, Australia and England. Warren Buffett earned his wealth through? The correct answer is option B, stock exchange. In economics, equilibrium means? The correct answer is option A stage of balance. 2017 Kurdistan region referendum for independence from which country in 2017? The correct answer is option A, Iraq. Umdatul Qari is written by? The correct answer is option C, Muhammad bin Ismail al-Bukhari. Comets revolve around the sun. The correct answer is option B, high elliptic orbit. Karl Marx presented his idea in his famous work. The correct answer is option A, Das Kapital. Micro means? The correct answer is option D, a millionth part. Which of the following countries is situated in the Scandinavian region? The option D is correct. It means Denmark, Norway and Sweden are situated in Scandinavian region. Acupuncture, medical treatment originated in? The correct answer is option C, China. Entomology is the science of? The correct answer is option C, insects. Who is the author of India Wins Freedom? The correct answer is option D, Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad. Heavy mechanical complex Tesla was set up with the aid of? The correct answer is option A, China. SI unit of current is? The correct answer is option C, ampere. World War I was started from which country? The correct answer is option D, Sarajevo. Qibla was changed in which Hijri year? The correct answer is option B, 2AH. Hazrat Bilal Raztala Anhu was? The correct answer is option C, Muazzin. Balfour Declaration was signed in which year? The correct answer is option D, 1917. Who wrote Qissa Ahsan al-Qissas? The correct answer is option B, Ghulam Rasul. Who wrote Sohni Mahiwal? The correct answer is option C, Fazal Shah. Who wrote Sassi Pannu? The correct answer is option A, Hashim Shah. The biggest industrial unit in the public sector is? The correct answer is Pakistan Steel Mills. What is the Great Red Spot? The correct answer is option A, high pressure region in the atmosphere of Jupiter. Pakistan-China border treaty was signed in which year? The correct answer is option D, 1963. Recent South China dispute judgment for which country favor? The correct answer is option C, Philippines. Umdatul Qari is written by? The correct answer is option C, Muhammad bin Ismail al-Bukhari. Comets revolve around the sun. The correct answer is option B, high elliptic orbit. Karl Marx presented his idea in his famous work. The correct answer is option A, Das Kapital. Basic colors. The correct answer is option A, red, blue plus green. The biggest industry of Pakistan is? The correct answer is option C, textile. Countries in Quad East countries. The correct answer is option B, US, Japan, India and Australia. Which of the following is the cottage industry? The correct answer is option C, handicraft. The agro-based industry is? The correct answer is option B, dairy farms. Animal Husbandry University is located at? The correct answer is option A, Lahore. Endurance peace operation refers to? The correct answer is option D, war in Afghanistan. PLO head office is situated in which country? The correct answer is option D, Palestine. Which are the following nearest planet to Earth? The correct answer is option C, Venus. For how many days did Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, stay in Mecca after the conquest of Mecca? The correct answer is option C, 15 days. Largest stadium of athletics of Pakistan was present in? The correct answer is option B, Islamabad. The period of Rabi season is, the correct answer is option A, October to May. When the period of Harif crop start and when end? The correct answer is option A, June to September. The Indus Saga and the Making of Pakistan book is written by, the correct answer is option B, Etizaz Ehsan. Which Chief Election Commissioner of ECP conducted general election of 2018? The correct answer is option D, Justice Sardar Mohammad Raza Khan. Cuban Missile Crisis occurred in which year? The correct answer is option C, 1962. When did Imam Bukhari died? The correct answer is option B, 1st September 870 AD. Tanda Dam built in 1965 on the river. The correct answer is option B, Kohat Toi. The oldest barrage of Pakistan is, the correct answer is option D, Sakhar Barrage. Hayati Javed, written by Altaf Hussain Hali, is on the life of, the option A is correct, Sir Sayyid Ahmad Khan. Rohtas Fort is situated near Jhelum. It was built by, the correct answer is option C, Sher Shah Suri. The study of wars in which the Holy Prophet participated is called, the correct answer is option B, Ghazwa. JCPOA was signed between which countries? The correct answer is option A, Iran with P5+1 together with European Union. Jihad became first in which AH? The option A is correct, 2AH. Sheep and goat less than dash are zakat free. The option D is correct, 40. Camels less than dash are zakat free. The correct answer is option B, 5. Wealth invested in trade to the amount of 200 dirhams was subject to a zakat dash dirhams during the early period of Islam. The correct answer is option C, 5. Who is supposed to pay fitrana for minor children? The correct answer is option C, father. Who led Muslim forces during the Crusades? The correct answer is option B, Salahuddin Ayyubi. Which animal of the following is not taxable for zakat? The correct answer is option D, elephant. Uri is situated in, the correct answer is option D, Indian occupied Kashmir. Who is the current president of France? The correct answer is option C, Emmanuel Macron. Suleiman the Magnificent was the king of which dynasty? The correct answer is option D, Ottoman. Who is the current president of Egypt? The correct answer is option B, Abdel Fattah el-Sisi. Which is the capital of North Korea? The correct answer is option A, Pyongyang. The third battle fought between Muslims of Medina and Quraish of Mecca was, the correct answer is option C, Khandak. The first wahi was revealed upon the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, in, the correct answer is option B, 610 AD.